Diesel fitter swaps V8 for BYD Shark. A mechanic's unexpected choice. A Rockhampton diesel fitter, Scott Jones, recently made a surprising shift away from traditional combustion engines, trading his Chevrolet Silverado for a BYD Shark 6 plug-in hybrid ute. Jones, a veteran of diesel mechanics and large mining vehicle maintenance, illustrates how evolving priorities and performance needs can override long-held preferences. This decision highlights a growing trend. Even those most familiar with established technologies are open to alternatives when they deliver practical benefits. From towing troubles to hybrid power, Jones previously owned a Volkswagen Amarok, which he enjoyed for its balance of ruggedness and refinement. However, when towing a boat, the Amarok struggled with steep inclines despite remaining within its 3.5 T tow limit. This led him to a larger, V8-powered Chevy Silverado, a vehicle that solved the towing issue but soon presented reliability problems. Frequent breakdowns involving the fuel pump, belts, and cooling systems ultimately eroded his trust in the American pickup. With no heavy towing needs remaining, Jones considered another diesel, but instead became intrigued by the BYD Shark 6, a plug-in hybrid from China. His familiarity with engine technology made him less apprehensive about the switch than many others might be. The Shark 6 combines a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor and battery, offering up to 80 km of all-electric range. Build quality surpasses expectations. Despite skepticism about Chinese automotive quality, Jones was impressed by the Shark 6's fit and finish. He described it as comparable to his Amarok, with no squeaks or rattles. The ute also comes standard with features that would have required expensive options on other brands, such as ventilated seats and a premium sound system. Performance was another key factor. Jones reported the Shark 6's combined output of 321 kW feels faster than any of his previous diesel utes. In real-world testing, the hybrid achieved 18 L/100 km while towing a motorbike trailer, significantly better than the Silverado's 24 L/100 km. A shift in perspective. Jones' colleagues initially dismissed his choice, given his diesel expertise. But after experiencing the Shark 6 firsthand, many changed their minds. The hybrid's instant torque and quiet operation quickly silenced doubters. Jones highlights one minor drawback: limited storage compared to the Silverado, but acknowledges the trade-off is worthwhile given the lower running costs and improved comfort. Some found it hard to believe what I had done, especially given all my diesel experience. They think it's a backward step in every way, he said. I tell them to hop in. The quality speaks for itself. Jones remains enthusiastic about BYD's future plans, including a larger model with increased towing capacity. He admits that while diesels still have their place, the Shark 6 has met his needs so effectively that he would purchase it again. This case demonstrates that even experienced automotive professionals are willing to embrace new technologies when they offer tangible benefits in reliability, performance, and economy.